The linear CAD Browser is the central place for our verified manufacturer CAD libraries. With this digital product catalog, we not only offer you individual selected products, but in cooperation with our industry partners, we provide you with complete product ranges with corresponding variants for use in Autodesk Revit, AutoCAD, and linear CADinside. After starting the program, you will find the available manufacturers, which are continuously expanded and updated. Now you can easily navigate to the desired product by selecting a manufacturer. First, you see the available product categories, and then you can move to the related product. Here, for example, a pre-wall toilet system from Figa with different connection sizes. The second way of navigation is the use of the tree structure, here in the left area. Using this method, I select a fire damper from Wildeboer. Once you've selected a product, you will not only see a preview of the product in different display types, but also have information about the product as well as associated technical data. In the case of Wildeboer, you even have the option of editing the operating point data for the component. Under Documents, you will then find all references and file formats of the corresponding product. So here, for example, a link to the manufacturer's product website, product information as PDFs, a product photo, DWG and DXF files, and the component as IFC, which you can download here. The corresponding Revit family is automatically generated when you place the component into Revit. If you already know which product you want to use, it is recommended to use the free text search via names or item numbers. I now, for example, want to go to a certain cascade from the Buderus company, and I know the corresponding item number ends with 3010. So I use the search and end up directly at the desired product. Here you can see another highlight of the CAD Browser. In addition to the provision of an enormous amount of components, there are powerful configurators to define product combinations and choose variants directly in the CAD Browser in order to subsequently draw them into your CAD system. We will do that here once with this cascade, where we are going to enlarge the expansion tank with the configurator before we integrate the model in our design. As mentioned, you can transfer all components into Revit as well as into AutoCAD or linear CADinside. If you have more than one CAD system open, first define the target platform. I start here once with Revit and press the Place button. Automatically, I now jump into the project and place the desired component here. With this complex cascade, we only see one of the boilers in the preview, and the rest is generated as soon as I have placed it. With one click, I have the entire configuration as Revit families in my project. It works the same way in AutoCAD and linear CADinside. I choose AutoCAD as target platform and use the Place command again, and transfer the model into my AutoCAD model. So easy. Installation parts such as valves can also be installed directly in existing pipes, including connection material. You can also replace components that are already in your model, or even replace all identical elements in a project at once. I've already demonstrated these functions in one of the previous videos. Especially in the ventilation discipline, the amount of different products and individual products is huge, which is why we have additionally enabled the integration of manufacturers' dimensioning programs here. Currently, you find the interfaces of Wildeboer, Alco, Trox, and Shaco. Using the example of an air outlet from Shaco, I will briefly show you how this works. You navigate to the desired component and then use the button Select Product. Now, the corresponding dimensioning program starts automatically. Here you can now define the desired component in detail and get a suitable selection, which you can then import into your CAD browser and use it like all other elements. Once loaded, components are saved and are then permanently available for direct reuse later on. In this way, we provide you with over 6 billion different products and variants for use in your MEP design. That's linear. Workflow instead of workaround.